Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into DigitalOcean, manage droplets and servers step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to DigitalOcean.com. Click the login button at the top right of the page. Enter the email address associated with your DigitalOcean account. Type your account password carefully and check for correct capitalization. If you use Google Sign In, click Continue with Google and choose your account. If you use GitHub Sign In, click Continue with GitHub and authorize access. If two-factor authentication is enabled, enter the 6-digit code from your Authenticator app. If you do not receive a code, check your device time settings and try again. After logging in, make sure you land on the DigitalOcean control panel. Look at the left sidebar and click Droplets to view your servers. Find your droplet in the list and confirm the name, region, and status. Click the droplet name to open the droplet details page. On the details page, review the public IPv4 address for connecting to the server. Check the graphs to see CPU, memory, and bandwidth usage at a basic level. To access the server quickly, click Console to open the web-based terminal. When the console loads, log in using the username shown, often root or a configured user. For SSH access from your computer, copy the IP address and open your terminal. Run the command ssh root at your_droplet_IP and press enter. Accept the host key prompt by typing yes the first time you connect. Enter your password if prompted, or ensure your SSH key is correctly added to your account. To reboot the server, go back to the droplet page and click Power, then Reboot. To power off or power on, use Power Off and Power On only when needed. To resize resources, click Resize and choose a plan, then follow the confirmation steps. To create a snapshot backup, click Snapshots and select Take Live Snapshot. To enable automated backups, open Backups and toggle the feature on if available. To add monitoring and alerts, open Monitoring and enable alert policies as needed. To manage networking, open Networking and review firewall rules and floating IP options. To secure access, open Access and add or remove SSH keys and reset passwords carefully. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.